Hello and welcome to sort of the farewell to learning by doing pandas exercises. I hope you've enjoyed seeing a real data scientist fumble over some really basic exercises, but it happens to the best of us. I hope you guys have learned something. If you have, go ahead and sort of write down some of the things that you've learned from this and write down other resources people can use to learn. Commenting these things, creating sort of just aggregates of sort of resources to practice skills can be super useful. If y'all would like one of two things, either me to do more exercises like this, please go ahead and comment down below and sort of say, hey, what exercises you would like me to do, or if you'd like to do sort of like a big session or something like that where we can all sort of be together, maybe on Twitch, and we do some data science together, I'd be super happy to do that. It would make my day. But I need at least 20 people there. And it's very hard to get that many people to be all in the same time, all at the same place. So if you guys have enjoyed this, please go ahead and do two things. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. That's awesome. And then also, this is all brought to you by Gripsamora's Pandas exercises. A GitHub repository. Go over here, star this repository. It's really good, really useful. I've used this to do so many of my classes. I can't really say what I could do without it. It's super great. And notice down here, there's also, yes, a link to our own thing. So he was also very happy or kind enough to go ahead and include this in the Pandas exercises itself. And so maybe if we do a little comment, wink, wink, we can get this video solutions section to be a little bit higher, if you know what I mean. Okay, thanks once again. I appreciate all the support and I look forward to doing more videos with y'all. Okay, that's a farewell.